Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 3.6 of chapter 3 playing with numbers. So let's start the video. So here is our first question, find the HCF of the following numbers. So HCF means highest common factor. We have to find out the factor of both the number first of all. Then we have to see among those factors which is the highest common factor among them. Okay, so I have not done all. A, B, H and I only I did in this video. The rest you try it by yourself and do it in your homework copy. So question number 1A, 18 and 48 are given. So prime factorization of 18 and 48. So 18, you can see we have find out the factors here. So 18, 2 9s are 18. Again 9, 3 3s are 9. Again 3, 3 1s are 3. So therefore the factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. 1 also we can write. No matter if you are not writing, nothing happens. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number. So whether you are writing or not writing, it doesn't matter. Then factor of 48 we have to find out. So 48, 2 into 24 we are getting 48. Then 2 into 12 we are getting 24. 2 into 6 we are getting 12. 2 into 3 we are getting 6. And again 3 into 1 we are getting 3. So here are the factors of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we have to find the common factors among them. So how many are common here? This 2 and 2 are common, okay, and 3 and 3 are common among those. Either other number are not common. So since common factors are 2 and 3, therefore HCF of 18 and 48 is what? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, you have understood 1A, the factors, common factor of 18 and 48. Let's proceed to question number 1B, that is 30 and 42. So 30, we are finding the factors now. 2 into 15, we are getting 30. 3 into 5, we are getting 15. 5 into 1, we are getting 5. So here 2 into 3 into 5. 1 we are not writing here, okay. Then again 42. 2 into 21, we are getting 42. 3 into 7, we are getting 21. 7 into 1, 7. So factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. So among these, you can see what are the common factors? This 2 and 3, since 5 and 7 are not common, okay. Since we are getting the common factors of 30 and 42, only 2 and 3, so 2 into 3 is 6. So the HCF of 30 and 42 is also 6. Now H, here are three numbers 91, 112 and 49. Separately we are finding out the factors. So 91 is what? 7 into 13 is 91, 13 into 1 is 13, okay. Again 112 we are finding out 2 into 56 we are getting 112, 2 into 28 is 56, 2 into 14 is 28, 2 into 7 is 14 and 7 into 1 is 7. Again 49 is given, 7 into 7 is 49, 7 into 1 is 7. So factors, 91 factors are what? 7 into 13 into 1 or 7 into 13 only we can write. Then 112, what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. And what are the factors of 49? 7 into 7. So here we can see only this 7 is common in all the three numbers factors. Okay. Since only 7 is a common factor, therefore the HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is only 7. Now question number 1, I, 18, 54 and 81. So we have to find out the common factors of 18, 54 and 81. So factors of 18 is what? 2 into 19, then 2 into 9, then 9, 3 into 3, then 3 is what? 3 into 1. Again 54, 2 into 27 is 54, 3 into 9 is 27, 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 1 is 3. 81, so 3 into 27 is 81, 3 into 9 is 27, 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 1 is 3. So factors separately we are writing here. So 18 is what? 2 into 3 into 3. 54 is what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we can see the common factors among them are what? This 3 and 3. Since this 3 is occurring 2 times, so the HCF of 18, 54 and 81 will be what? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So hope so you have understood this question number 1. Now we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Consecutive means one after another. So consecutive numbers, you can take any example like 1 and 2 or 2 or 3, 2 and 3 or 3 and 4. Okay. So consecutive common factors of two consecutive number is always 1. So answer is here always 1. Hence the HCF is also 1. Since common factor is 1, so HCF is 1. Now proceed to question number 2b. We have to find the HCF of two consecutive even numbers. So you can take 2 and 4. Okay. You can take as 2. Another example also you can take 4 and 6 also, no matter. We are just taking 2 and 4. So what will be the factor of 2? Factor of 2 will be what? 2 into 1. And what will be the factor of 4? 2 into 2 into 1. So among those 2 and 4, what are the common now? Only 2 and 1. So the common factors of the two consecutive even number are what? 2 and 1. Therefore the HCF is also 1 into 2 or 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 2. The third question is, we have to find out the HCF of the consecutive odd numbers. So consecutive odd number, suppose 1 and 3. So what will the factor of 1? 1 will be 1 only and 3 will be what? 3 and 1. So among those, what are the common factors? Only 1. So the common factor of two consecutive odd number is 1. So the HCF is also 1. So we came to know that the common factor of two consecutive number is also 1. And the common factor of two consecutive odd number is also 1. Only the difference is that the common factor of two consecutive even number, the answer will be 2. Hope so you have understood this question number 2 also. Question number 3, HCF of co-prime number 4 and 15 was found as follows. Factorization of 4 is what? 2 into 2. And 15 is what? 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor among these two, 4 and 15, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is it correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? So we can see that the factors of 4 and 15, 2 and 2. And here 3 and 5. Okay. There are no common factors. But we know that 1 is always common among them. Yes or not? But they are telling the HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is it correct? So our answer is what? No. The answer is not correct. And the reason is what? 0 is not the prime factor of any number. 1 is always the prime factor of the co-prime number. Hence the correct HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Hope so you have understood this exercise. Have a nice day. Thank you.